Here we have the current stock market update for Maxeon Solar Technologies Limited, stock ticker MAXN. Before we begin, if you find these educational materials to be helpful in your trading, please remember to click the like and subscribe buttons and leave your thoughts in the comment section below so that other traders will be able to find this information more easily on the platform. So here we can see we have the 15-minute price chart, and we can see here that overall the projections for the stock have played out as expected. In the prior video, we were looking at this recent price move into the 23-cent mark. This would have occurred roughly during the August 19 trading session. And then since then, we did see a series of support breaks, which did lead to share prices moving lower during this period of time. So in this video, we will be looking at some important price levels, some important support and resistance zones that can hopefully be used to establish profitable trading strategies for this stock going forward. So as we can see currently, the near-term low is coming in right around 7.5 cents. We are looking at the 15-minute price chart here. So each candle on this chart essentially marks a 15-minute trading period. So overall here, there was a lot of optimism surrounding this stock when share prices did manage to rise into this 23-cent area. There was a lot of enthusiasm. There were a lot of videos that were being posted on YouTube suggesting that the stock was ready to strongly rally higher and things like that. However, it was clear to us that the share price movement was unlikely to continue to move higher after share prices broke through the 38.2% Fibonacci retracement of this ascending move from roughly 11.4 cents to 23 cents. This area came in just below 18.5 cents. So after that area broke, that would essentially be this price zone here. Let's get an arrow marker. So that would essentially be this area here. Once we saw this price break movement to the downside, it did become quite clear that it was going to become very difficult for share prices to then retest this 23-cent area once again. As we can see here, this did largely play out. It did play out as expected because the upward movement here really didn't allow share prices to move back above the 20-cent mark. So it is clear at this point that all of the financial quote-unquote YouTubers that were covering this stock, suggesting that share prices were ready to rocket higher, things like that, go to the moon and all that. All of those projections were completely incorrect because we really haven't seen very much in the way of upside price movement here at all. What we did actually see was an upward movement that looked like this, then a significant decline, which broke through several important support zones, including the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement at 15.7 cents. And then, we did see a little bit of a retracement higher here, but this didn't last very long. Ultimately, we did see share prices start to fail right back at this 20-cent level, and then it was really massive declines here to the downside. So there really was no hope for this stock to start to rocket higher like so many people were expecting. And it's unfortunate because there were many people that were caught into bad trades during this process. It's very widespread on this platform. You do see a lot of people who claim to have financial stock market knowledge when really all they are, it's just a person who's trying to start a YouTube channel. They could just as easily be doing any other topic. They really don't have any experience trading stocks. And it can be very easy to, believe what these people are saying and to think that they have some sort of expertise when they really don't have any expertise at all. They don't have any prior experience trading the market. And that does appear to be what happened for this stock. This is another example. There are many examples like this. And this is the reason that we did open the members only section of the channel, because this is the area where we offer specific trade ideas, specific stocks that can be traded, entry points, stop loss levels, profit targets. We make it as simple as possible so that even the most basic beginner really won't have any trouble just following along with the trades. Because this type of service is really needed at this point on this platform because it's just so widespread where we're seeing all these people, make these ridiculous recommendations and the stocks just decline to zero essentially. I mean, it's surprising how bad some of these stock calls or stock recommendations really are. Really, these people shouldn't be allowed to talk about this topic on the channel. It's surprising that they're even allowed to do this. So as things currently stand here, we are trading with near-term lows coming in at 7.5 cents. The most recent close here came in just above the 9 cent mark. But as we can see here, if we sort of drill into the price chart, share prices themselves are still having a lot of difficulty overcoming the exponential moving average cluster itself. So this declining, I should say, blue line here is the 200 period exponential moving average, 200 period EMA. So as things currently stand, we have broken back into the exponential moving average cluster. However, we have not been able to break above this area. So at best, what this really suggests here is a period of sideways consolidation. This is essentially a neutral price movement, where you really wouldn't expect significant trend direction to develop either way, either in the bullish or bearish direction. So if we were able to see a bit of a break here above this blue line, you could start to see a bit of a price movement higher. But overall, I would expect this movement to start to stall out right around 10 cents, because this is a very significant area of support, which was seen previously. This would be roughly the 10 cent mark here. I should call this 8.3 cents. And then up here is roughly 10 cents. And as we know, when share prices break below an important support level, that level starts to become a resistance level once it's tested again from the bottom. So even if we are able to break above this 200 period exponential moving average, I do think that follow through would be limited here. I really don't expect to see share prices move much higher. Trading volumes themselves are also starting to decline quite rapidly, which shows that interest in the stock is really starting to diminish. And this is unfortunate, because this is a stock that looks like it's basically heading to zero. And, there were so many recommendations. I mean, it's not funny. People are losing money with this. But what is funny, I guess, is the fact that these people are just able to make so many incorrect recommendations over and over again, and they're really never called out for it. I mean, people just sort of get into these positions and then, I guess, just deal with the losses. I mean, nobody ever calls out these terrible YouTubers that just have absolutely no idea what they're doing. It's really embarrassing, and they shouldn't be allowed to do this. So this is the reason that we opened up the member section of the channel. We do try to help people get out of these types of positions with their trades, because there is a lot of trading experience and successful track record experience that can be pointed to in the members only trading room. So here's the current stock market update for Maxeon Solar Technologies Limited, stock ticker MAXN. Our high value trading strategies membership is currently available for a limited time for only $9.99 per month. These high conviction investment strategies are characterized by superior risk to reward metrics that target massive market beating returns over time. Join now to outperform the market. Lock in this special introductory rate of just $9.99 per month for the entire lifetime of your membership, and start trading stocks with the pros.